today's video, I will be making lunch. So I'll be making ramen, some gyoza dumplings, spring roll, and mango pudding. So let's open up the packet. Yeah, okay, and it's almost open. Sorry, bear with me, please. Then we have the kit. Now we're gonna wanna open the back too. Then we're gonna have everything we need. Ta-da! For our first one, we're gonna be doing the easiest thing. We're gonna be making the mango pudding. So for the mango pudding, we're gonna have to add water till it's half full. Then we're gonna add the packet in, and then it'll harden in 10 minutes. Okay? So ready? 3, 2, 1. Add water. Whoa! Now it's full of water. Now we're gonna need to add the mango powder. So I'll just take a minute to open this. It was really hard for me to open, so I'll be getting a packet, then pouring it in. Now I'm gonna get this and mix it. So mix, mix, mix. And this will be hard in 10 minutes, hopefully. Now for our next part, it said we needed to add water until the line, then get the blue packet. Then pour it in. Okay, so now we're pouring it in. Now we'll mix. I think I need a little bit more. So I'll be mixing it in here. I think I need a little bit more. And I'll mix it again. And still mixing. Mix, mix, mix. I'll be right back. So it's not really turning into dough yet. So I'll just wait a little bit more. Okay, so now we have our dough. And we're gonna add it in these 2 molds. So I'll get a little bit, then put it in the mold. Oh, wait. It's a little sticky, so it's gonna take a little bit of time, okay? Okay, so now I'm gonna put it in my 2 molds. Got it in one. Got it in the other. Now that it's in the mold, I'll cut this part And then I'll cut around here. For the gyoza. And gyoza is kind of like a dumpling. Yeah. And now we have it cut out. So now I cut it out. I have my dough. And I'm just gonna place it on here. Like this. Now I'm gonna get some of the filling for the gyoza. And I'm gonna get it in here. Then I'm gonna close it up. Then I'll open one side. And ta-da! Gyoza! So one, and then I'll repeat the process. So get one, roll it. Wait, let me try the filling. It's just sugar. Okay. So I'll put some of the dough in. Then I'll fill it in a little bit more. Then add some more filling, just like that. Then close it. I'm trying to make them look better and better each time. Okay, now it's better now. Then take it out carefully. Then another one. And one more. We're gonna make 3 or 4, maybe 4. Yeah, let's try to make 4. So now I have the dough put on here. Now I have some of the filling. Then squeeze it. It's good. It's getting good. Okay. Oh, it's okay. Now for our spring roll. I'm gonna get some here. Roll it into a circle. Okay, now we're gonna pour some filling. And then close it up like this. And then put this on top. And that's our spring roll. We're gonna do that one more time. So get it out like this. Put it in the middle. Fold it like that. And then close it up a little bit. Then we have our 2 spring rolls done. I took out the toppings out of the mold. Now I'll be making the noodles. So for the noodles, I add water. Then I'll cut off the corner. Then I'll add it all in. So still adding it. And now we're gonna wanna use all of it in there. So I'll cut it in half. And make sure it all goes in. I'll cut the bottom one in half. Make sure it all goes in. Okay, now I'll mix it. Smells like Fanta. So now we're mixing it. And then, now that it looks like this, we're gonna wanna put it in this bag and save it for later. This is gonna be our noodles, by the way. And just get the rest of it in there. And we're done that step. And then form it into a piping bag. Now I have the soup powder, and then I'm gonna cut it and then add it into the water. And now I'm gonna mix it with the fork. So now I'm mixing it. And I mixed it and it looks like this. And now I'm gonna get the noodle bag. So I cut a hole in it, and now I'm making the noodles. A little bit more. And perfect. Now I'll be adding the toppings on, and I'll be trying it. So here we go. This is the noodle. It looks so yummy. It's really good. I got the mango pudding. And I'm getting the mango pudding out. Ooh, The mango pudding's really good. Now I'll have the topping. It's really good. The noodle's really good. I'll have one of the gyoza dumplings. Mmm. Tastes like strawberry. Really good. It tastes like fruits and strawberries. And I'll try the soup. That's really good. Well, thank you for watching. Wait, no, not yet. I'll have a spring roll. That's really good too. Okay, now, thank you for watching. I had really fun. Bye.